How to save video from CapCut to gallery. If you've just finished editing your video on CapCut and want to save it to your gallery, I've got you covered. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your CapCut video and save it to your phone's gallery in just a few simple steps. Before exporting your video, make sure you finished editing everything, trimming, adding effects, music and text. Once your video is ready, it's time to save it to your gallery. Now, simply at the top, you can see the export button. This button is located in the top right corner of the screen. When you tap on it, CapCut will start preparing your video for export, and once it's exports, you can simply find it in your gallery. Now as you can see, it is being processed. Now you can't simply close or lock your screen while simply exporting your video, as it won't export if you simply do that. Now you can simply check on your gallery and your video will be there. And that's it. That's how you simply save your CapCut video in your gallery.